Hi guys, how are you? Here is an interesting question. This carboxylic acid is treated with I2Ki and Na2CO3. What will be the product? This is an example of iodolactonization reaction. Iodolactonization reaction. So what is iodolactonization? What is iodolactone? Iodolactone is first here if it is treated with I2 and Ki, then the double bond react with I2 to form an iodinium ion intermediate, and the iodinium ion intermediate will be opened up by this carboxylate anion to form a lactone. And obviously the iodinium ion will be formed opposite to that of the COOH group. That is, if the COOH group is above the plane of the ring, then the iodinium ion will be formed below the plane of the ring. We will discuss it by drawing the conformation of this. It is a cyclohexene derivative, so it will have half chair conformation. So it will have conformation like this. Let's say COOH group is above this plane. Here this is half chair conformation. Half chair. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 carbon atoms are in a plane. This is below the plane and this is above the plane. This bond is actually in back to this 4 carbon atom. So it is drawing as a um, broken bond. Now if it is treated with I2, what will happen? An iodinium ion will formed minus I minus, and it will be formed below the plane because the COOH group is above the plane. So this is the iodinium ion. C double bond O minus. Now there will be an ring opening reaction here. So if it is opened up, if it there is two possibility of opening this ring. The first one is it may attack in this carbon to open in this fashion, and other way is that it may attack in this carbon to open in this fashion. So let's say this is A attack, this is B attack. Now for A attack, what will happen? This will attack in this, so this carbon will go above and this carbon come below. So a chair conformation will be result. Here there is oxygen, CH2, C double bond O. Sorry. So and iodine will be here, and if the B attack occur, then this carbon will go above and this carbon will go below. So what will happen? Here the iodine, here will be the oxygen, C double bond O, this. but this is a twist boat form, and this is chair form. So this is more stable. So only A attack is possible here, and this product will be the major product. So here hydrogen, here will be there is a hydrogen. So if we draw this in another form, then we will get a 6-member ring and a 5-member ring. Here will be oxygen. This is an lactone, 5-member lactone ring, and here there will be hydrogen below the plane. Iodine. Here there will be iodine below the plane. The hydrogen here below the plane, and here also the hydrogen is below the plane. So this will be our product. This is called iodolactone. This is called iodolactone. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box. To get more such interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.